Uh, welcome back to co- welcome back to this in this video. We in this Today we have an exciting problem related uh, exciting problem which is a lead code problem. The problem statement is given here. Let's see the problem statement first. We have given an array of positive integer nums and the positive integer target, and the task is to return the minimal length of the subarray whose sum is greater than or equal to a target. If there is no such subarray, return 0 instead. Here is the some example. If target is 7, then the nums in the given array nums is consist of numbers n 2 3 of 1 2 4 3. So their output is 2. The explanation here also given. There's this subarray, the subarray 2 and 3, subarray here 4 and 3. It has some value of 7. It has a minimal length under the problem constraint. This subarray is a minimal length on this nums array. So the output is 2, and here is the actually the 4, only the 4 minimal length. So let's solve this problem. Firstly, look at the we have given first. Firstly, we have given nums, which nums array, which contain the our which contain the our integers, and the second one is target, which is with the target value, and our task is to return the minimal length of subarray. So to solve this problem, we use so two pointers methods, and also we have so we use some task is the if subarray, and the subarray here the task is return to minimal length of subarray, and the subarray should be the subarray with the subarray sum is equal to or greater than target value. So the subarray, and no such if no such subarray, then we have to return we have to return 0. And let's do problem approach. To solve this problem, we use two pointers to solve this problem, because this is here we can use sliding methods related to sliding. And we initially we use point left and right. There this left and right initially initialize with 0 index, and the size of nums is n. N is the size of nums, and we also use some other variables to solve the problem. Here we will use sum to store the current sub array, and to current sub array sum to store, and we other use the minimal length of length. Though the current length of current sub array length को store करेंगे, we store in minimal length. Let's we have the end of problem. Let's we have to give an example. This is the nums, and this is the target, and let's we firstly we iterate through this entire array from 0 index to n last index n minus 1. So 1 2 3 4. So firstly this sum. So here we use iterate. We will iterate array right is equal to right less than n. So the starting here the right is initialized with 0, and then we iterate the entire array with when our right value reaches the n minus 1 until n minus 1. Then we use to we store sum in sum. We store current index value, and then when we check if the sum if the sum, let's say here we can sum. Firstly we added to our first right is equal to 0 index, so will be num0 will be 2, so we store sum into uh, here 2, then we check if sum greater than or equal to target. So here the 2 is on target, here is 7, so the our sum value is the current subarray is not equal to or greater than 7, so we again add some next value to in this subarray to increase, we will increase subarray length, subarray size, so we will move for second numbers. So firstly we are here, then we will jump our increase our right pointer to store this to add in subarray 3. So again the 2 and 3 is equal to through 2 plus 3 will be 5, then it's not equal to or greater than target value, then we again increase our increase our subarray uh, here index 2, then it's 6, then we again increase 7 here, so 2 plus 3 5 and plus 1 6 plus 2 8, so now our sum is equal to 8 and target is equal to target will be 7. So we have to return minimal length of this subarray. So this is our subarray which is starting from 0 index to 3 index. So this is our first subarray which is equal to or greater than target. So then we will check this condition while sum greater than or equal to target. So then we will store the minimal length by comparing previously minimal length and the right pointer and left pointer plus 1 here will be plus 1 because we initially started the both the pointers from the 0, so we will add 1, at least one subarray will be present, one element will be present in subarray because those both pointers will be starting from 0. So here will be initially here this initially we will initialize with maximum number, and this is 1 because this is here we can see let's write here this value will be here will be 0 left because we have is an and right have 3, so this value will be the 3 minus 0 and plus 1 to 4, so our mean length will be 4. So then mean length will be stored in the 4, and then we will then we subtract the right in then we try to reduce the subarray length to check if it is equal to or greater than, then it's we will increase the left nums, then it will, if the equal, then we want to we simply remove this number, this first number, first 2, then then we check this from here to here, then this is not 10 to 5 and 3 plus 1 4 so 2 6, then this is not equal. After the reducing here we have moved the pointer from 0 to here, so then we will increase left, then again we will check while it's not satisfying, then we increase the right pointer, then we increase this array and 4, so then we will be here increase our size will be here, then we check this condition, if this condition satisfied, then we again update this minimum length by comparison previously minimum length and the currently subarray length. This is the current subarray length. This will be give us current subarray length, and then we will fit again. We reduce some uh, reduce subarray size to check if there is a minimum length, or then we will, if then we increase left. Lastly, then if this condition here will be reaching, let's then after reaching this, so if the array will be uh, 5 7, then we will increase the next will be the 3, we will minus 3, so plus 1 2 4, so for 3 it's 7, then its length is 3, then again we will remove this next step stumps to fit 2 4 and 6, then we cannot it's not equal to our target, then we will 2 3 and 3, then we will 3, then our here we will its target is equal, it's equal to charge the 5 and 8 the target. So here we will minimum length will be previously 3, then this is 3, then don't change, if not will change, where 4 2 4, then here, then after this we reduce 2, so the next 4 3, then here it's a 7 equal to target, then our minimum length will be previously 3 and now still it's 2, then the out result this is a, so min length will be 2, so this is the final. So latest minimum because we are starting it for 4, where is it's 3, then it's 3 again, then it is at 2. After here we can see the our right pointer reach the n minus 1 reach, then we stop iterating array because we have is the condition. So this is our output. So let's code it on code this solution on Leetcode. Here let's start with the int left, start minimum length, actually display not start length is equal to int maximum असाइन करेंगे, then for we make int max, then length and int left equal to 0, then int right equal to 0, then we equals int size of array n equal to num dot size, int had to sum for store some variable to store the current sub. Okay, and then we'll iterate the while iterate right minus right less than n, then we store sum plus equal to plus minus num right, okay, right, then while num while sum greater than equal to having greater than equal to target. And here we will update the minimum length. Length is equal to min value between min length minus right for subarray and last ending, and left minus plus 1. Then we simply reduce 1 sum minus num, so right left value, then we simply increase the left integer. After this, if this above condition not satisfy, if the current sum of subarray is not equal to or greater than target, then we increase the right pointer to increase our subarray size, and after added entire array, return then will return condition if min length is equal to int max, then we will return 0 other. If not equal to min length, then we will return min length. Min length. Here we also trace here min length. So min length right, everything is right. Let's try to run it. There is a condition okay, min length. Let's run. Min length, here we have mistake over min length. Then I make a mistake. So here we can see our all cases is first, and second, third. So let's submit. So it's submitted. So this is the problem related to problem related to the minimum size of subarray sum. Here we use sliding 2 pointers method to solve this problem. If you are if this video is helpful for you, then like and subscribe. And these videos are basically I made this video for my practice, and also to make better understanding on this TSA or DSA. So if you are watching my video, then thank you.